Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make sopita de conchitas, which is just a traditional Mexican dish, shell soup. And we have here some shells from Goya. I really like this brand. We also have simple ingredients like tomatoes, cilantro, onion, garlic, and then some seasonings that I'll go into later, and some chicken broth. So, real easy recipe. So let's dive in. All right, so I'm gonna start by slicing up 4 tomatoes, and we're just gonna put this in the blender so you don't have to chop it up any certain way or anything. I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna cut up around 1/4 of this onion. Gonna cut it in half so it'd be easier to blend. Alrighty, and in here I'm also gonna add some chicken broth just to help it all blend together. Now I'm gonna use this whole thing, but alright, there we go. And then I'm gonna add this sazon Goya. This is the cilantro y tomate, which is cilantro and tomato. To add a little bit more caldo de pollo, just for a little bit more flavor. All right, here goes the blender. All right, that's about good. Now we're gonna start frying the conchitas. Now we're gonna put on the stove to a medium low and add the pan. Start getting it heated up. Just a little bit. Whoops, that was too much. Oh well. These things happen, okay? Alright, and now we're gonna use 1 packet of shells. Alright, we're just gonna let that cook for about 3 minutes just to help the process go along. Go ahead and add it. Oh yeah. We're gonna put this to a simmer and we're gonna let it cook. I'm gonna check back in 10 minutes. I'm just gonna cover it lightly like this. And we'll be back here and we're gonna chop up some cilantro. I'm just gonna chop it up kind of roughly. I mean, this is just to put on top. And yeah, because we don't wanna cook this too much. At least I don't like it. I mean, if you like it, you like it, but I don't like it. And there you have it, guys. Real simple, easy recipe. And let's do a taste test. Thank you. Alrighty. Ooh, it's still hot. Yeah. It's really hot. It's so hot, but it tastes really good. I promise. I'm gonna do another one. The cilantro just makes it pop. So good. That's good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys will try this at home, and yeah, see you on the next one.